Yeah, you have to go look on it after. 10 minutes, guys. It shouldn't take us so long, right? All right. There are 2,430 students in a school. Each student need 2 pens. So if each student need 2 pens, we could just times this by 2. That's all. 200, 236, 248, 224. So this is the total number of pens needed. And if 18 come in a pack, all we have to do, just divide this by the 18. 18 to 4, you can't. 18 to 48, 2. So 2 times 18, 36. Subtract, get what, 12. So that's 126. And then 18, 5 and 9, 2, 6, 7. And then 7, 8, 56. 7, 1, 7, that 12. Subtract, you get 0. 18 into this, so the answer 270. Number 2 says, in 1980, the population of Ireland was 2.75 million. In 1990, it was 2.95 million. What was the growth? And that would have been 200,000. And one is pretty straightforward as well. All right, number 3, 4, and 5. Let's see if we can do those. The square of 15 is, the value of 4 raised to the third power is, express 7,600 in standard form. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Number 3 is a 15 square. So when a number is squared, the number is multiplied by itself. So we put 15 times 15 is 225. Number 4 says, what's the value of 4 raised to the third power? So 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Multiply, we are multiply, right? All right, for this one now, express 7,600 in standard form. Standard form means the number must be between. So we're going to carry decimal point here. It's actually here now, I will count the number of places that will move. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it will be 7.6 times 10 to the third power. That would have been positive because when you multiply it, you're going to get back the 7,600. So that is B. Number 6 says, which of the following is the lowest in value? You can literally just work it out, 7.2 times 10, which is 100, right? So that means I move 2 times, 1, 2. So the value of this is 720. If I should move this 3 times, I think that will probably be one of the largest one. Multiply by 1,000, right? That will be 6,310, I think. But this one now, we're gonna move it 2 times, 1, 2. So this is 507. This one are probably one of the largest. I move 1, 2, 3. Plus another one, 4. So that would have been C. For number 7, it says one day, this is the problem one. One day the level of water in the river was 35. I could say this is the river. Or the river level, right? And it was 35 centimeter above, and then it becomes 12 below. So it a drop from all of this, guys, and go way down. So wouldn't it be 35 plus 12? That drop that. How many minutes are in 2.25 hours? No, 1 hour 60 minutes, right? So 2 times 60, that's a 120. A quarter of 60 is about 15. So 120 plus the 15 give you 135. Number 9 says a customer buy items for these amounts, and basically we have 150.50 thanks there. Then we have 84.20. We'll just put the 190 at top. And then we have 660. So the rule is a decimal point and a decimal point, right? So this is 0. 6 and 2, 8 and that 13, 3 carry the 1. That the 5 decimal point and a decimal point. 6 and 8, 14. 6 and 8, 14 and 5, 19 and that 28. So 2 and 1. 2 and 1, 3 and that 4. Half. This should have been 5. No, 6 and 2, 8 and 5. Yeah, right. All right. So that basically come up to 485. And then she used a gift voucher. So the gift voucher will reduce it, right? So 5 from this. 6 from that we can't. So we have to borrow one over here. So that way it was 6. 4, 8, 2. 384.65. So that would have been C. Number 10 says a flower pot costs $60 each. Flower pot salsa costs 25 each. A customer buys 4 of each. How much change would the customer receive from 500? So I could check up the total for them to spend first. So a 4 each, that means I go times this by 4. 4, 5, 20. 4 2 8. 8 and 2, 10. 4 0 0 and that 1. 4 6 is 24. So this will cost 241. And then now we have 25 by 4, which is $100. So we add the total. The total money spent will be 341. And of course, change now would be 341 from this. 1 from that we can't. So 9. 4 from that 5. 4, 3 from that 1. So that would have been D. I'm going to see if we can do at least 2 or 3 more. When 1.6 is multiplied by 0.7, the result is, all right, when 1.6 is multiplied by 0.7, the result is, so all we have to do is just multiply 16 by 7, and then drop in back the decimal point. 7642, 717, plus 411. Now we have 2 decimal places because you have one if it's 0.6 and another, so 1, 2, so that's 1.12 for number 7. Let's move on to 12. So you say a machine accept 25 cents. The machine only accept 25 cents coins. A family has $3.75 to change 25 cents coin. How many coins can they get? One way to look at it, guys. In $1, they have 100 cents. So technically, when you have 0.25, that's 25 cents, right? So in every dollar you're gonna have 100 cents. So 0.25 means that in $1 you're gonna have four of this. So you can say 3 times 4 for the first one, which is 12. And then for 0.7, you're gonna have 0.25 plus 0.25, 3 more, right? So that would have been 15, 25 cents 9. Number 13, a home worker take 0.25 minutes to write an address label. How many labels can he write in 60 minutes? Now, 0.25 minutes is really a quarter of a minute, right? Which is basically 15 seconds. Okay? So think about it. How many 15 seconds in a 1 minute? That would be 4. As you have 60 seconds make a minute. So in every minute, you're going to do 4. And if you have 60 minutes, you're going to have 4 times, right? 4 times 60, which is 240. So that would have been 240. For number 14,
Or can I go back over that again?
all right, let's reason it out again. 0.25 minutes, that's a quarter, right? Technically, 0.52 minutes is a quarter. And a quarter, in every minute, you have 60 seconds. So you just find a quarter of 60, which is basically 15 seconds. That's what it comes down to, right? 15 seconds. So for every 15 seconds, I'm going to write one label. Now you're going to use 60 minutes. So in every minute, you're going to do technically 4 of them, right? So every single minute, the person going to do 4 labels. So if you're doing it in 60 minutes, it means that you're going to do 60 times 4, which is 240. So you do a total of 240 labels in the 60 minutes. Or we could look at it in the decimal form, you know. You would need all of this 4 times to make 1. So you do 4 of them here in 1 minute. And if you have 60 minutes and you add 4, you're going to do 60 times 4, which is 240. Number 14 says, find the total cost of 2.5 kilogram of rice at $1.90 per kilogram and 1.5 kilogram of cornmeal at $2.92. Let's go the multiplication. Let's multiply it. So we have 90 times 25. But I'll give you the total price for the rice. And then 292 times 15. That I'll give you total price and we'll add them, right? So let's go 500, 5945, 515, and that 9. Put a space over 200, 2 nines 18, 8 are 1, 2 ones 2 and 1 3. So when we add this, we get what? 0, 5, 8 and 9, 17. How many decimal places we add? We have 3 in all, right? We have 1 here and 2. So that's a $4.75 for the first one. Next one now, we have 292 times 15. 5 2 is 10, 0 carry 1, 5 9, 45 and 1, 46. 5 2 is 10 plus that 14. I could put this as we want to get this mixed up with the next one. Alright. Put a 0 for all the space. 1 2 2, 199, 1 2 2. So that's a 0. 6 and 2, 8. 9 and 4, 13. Number 43. 43, 80. So that'll be $4 as well. Let me see. This is a 1 decimal plus 3, yeah. Supposed to be 3 decimal place as well. So we are at $4.38. 8 and 5, 13, 3 carry 1. 7 and 3, 10 and 1, 11. $9.13. That's what I got earlier. B. Alright. So guys, let me see for that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Correct. So guys, we're gonna continue tomorrow, alright? So we're at number 15. Somebody remind me tomorrow, please, if I don't remember. We're at number 15 for Monday class. I'll post the video as well when time I done with TXT class. Alright? So take
Well,
care,
sir.
everyone. Yeah. Take care, guys. Make sure you watch back the video, guys. Practice makes perfect. Whoa.